Hello everyone, welcome to the Game Level channel. Sometimes it happens to you that you want to put a file with a size of more than 4 GB on your USB flash drive and there is enough free space in your USB flash drive, but you encounter a file error too large. Today I want to teach you how to solve this problem. As you can see, we have about 6 GB of free space in our flash drive and our file size is 5.7 GB. So we try to copy the file. We encounter this error. Let's see what our flash system is. As you can see, our flash system is FAT32. This system does not have the ability to transfer files larger than 4 GB. To solve this problem we have to change the FAT32 system to NTFS system. Before doing anything we must store the information inside our flash drive in a safe place because the information inside the flash drive will be erased while changing the system. To start, right-click on the arrow icon and select the Format option. In the File System section, select the NTFS option. If we check the Quick Format, the process will be faster. Let's start. Here the system warns that all data on the flash will be erased. As I said before, be sure to save your files in a safe place. Click OK. The operation was completed successfully. As you can see, the flash drive system was changed to NTFS. Now you can copy files larger than 4 GB to flash drive. Now you can copy the previously deleted file to your flash drive. I hope you found this video useful. If you want, you can subscribe to this channel. If you click the bell, a notification will be sent to you as soon as a new video of me is released. Thanks for watching this video.